Hey guys, good morning. So you have created a post classifier guideline helper. So this is a project which I submitted for the CAP project, and my goal here is user will submit a post or a text input, which I will classify based on categories. So I have categories like parents, pets, health, and cooking. So I will give you a prediction like how much of the text is related to a particular category, and I have few guideline PDF files which it will analyze and help this text the question which has been asked. If it is false, then if I can help you with it. So for this, like I have used the embedding and then a rag to will help with the guideline. So let's start with it. So I have used the Kaggle notepad to execute the entire thing. And so here you can see like I have first installed the ChromaDB that I'm using for vectoring and to create the rag system where I will be embedding the data, the PDF files and storing it. GenI definitely, the installation part. So this is the text, the sample text which I will be passing. So it can be a passage or something, and we will be deriving the data. Like we will try to analyze this particular text. The import part, again the import part, and also I'm using the Google API keys. So I don't need to actually pass them. You can simply store it in secret, and they will just use it for us. This is the retry policy. So if your the limit crosses the quota, the hit quota crosses, then it will just help us to ensure that client retries and run properly. So this is the first of the data set. So we have certain data set which I need, which is from which is related to health, cooking, and parenting and pets, which are taken from the Hugging Face data set, and I'm training it. So this is for the training part, and this is for the test part. Then I have been pre-processing them. I have analyzed like I've just give them some labels and the numbering so that they can analyze it. So here you can see like I have given 35 data for to train. These are the rows, and this is for testing. I have given them the 50. As we move ahead, now we need to create what do you call embed them. So this is the embedding function which we will be using. Here we can see that all those are created, and this is how it looks like. So label is passed and the parent name is passed. So this is for human reading, and this is for more of a system where they analyze by more of a number than the name. Again, you can see the embedding which has been done. Okay. And as we move ahead, like you can see like how much the size it's taking, how much the density is. Okay, we're moving ahead, and here you can see like I have right now I'm passing this. The entire embedding is done. Now I will be passing a created function which will give us the number. So I will call make prediction function. Here is a list of categories which are there, and the input which are given, it says like 87% of it is for the pet. So this is the classifier which is we were talking about. Now for the rag system. So firstly, I have the the prompt creator where I will first need to one-liner of the for the entire passage will be in one-liner. For example, the question which I asked will be just in one line. Here you can see like I just want to take care of bulldog and I need to improve health. So this is one-liner which I created using this content generation. And I'm passing like again. Next thing is like I have, as I told, I have some pages in a book which I need to read. So I'm reading the PDF files, passing them here, creating embedding again, storing them in the ChromaDB, analyzing them. For the rag, so this is a prompt which I'm be using, and then passing the one-liner question. So this is the entire prompt which has been created, and at the end, so whatever the reading which I have done from the documents, it will try to fetch something. But unfortunately, we don't have any data related to bulldogs. That is why it will just say, "I'm sorry, we do not have such information, and we cannot answer the question." So with this, what you've done is like firstly we took the input, which is this. Then we have classified it like how much percent of it looks like. Is it related to pets? Is it related to the dogs or anything the health related? And we have used the PDF file to analyze and answer the question if we can. So this is it.